Welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Like this now, I don't come your screen with another breaking news. I don't come your domot with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside with nation Nigeria. And the cocoa now be say, on Tuesday will be the 14th day of January for inside this year 2025. The Chief of Defence Staff will be General Christopher Musa come aside the yarn say the arrest of the pro-Biafran agitator wey be Simon Ekpa for inside Finland, e don calm down the level of insecurity wey dey sup for inside the southeast region of this our green country wey be Nigeria. So the CDS Christopher Musa constantly yarn say as the defence headquarters constantly launch Operation Udoka, say small the thing don dey restore peace for inside the troubled region. And Oga Musa dey yarn all these levels. He dey make this remark while fielding questions from members of the House Committee on Defence when he bin appear before the lawmakers to defend the 2025 defence proposal on Tuesday, wey be the 14th day of January for inside this year 2025. And no be lie, my good people, the defence headquarters for inside the year 2024, they will launch Operation Udoka to combat growing insecurity wey dey sup for inside the southeast region. And like this now, my good people, they don link the insecurity challenges wey dey happen for inside the region to the agitation for a sovereign Biafran nation. And all of us supposed to don hear about the reports of Simon Ekpa wey be the self-acclaimed Prime Minister of the indigenous people of Biafra wey dey based for inside Finland. You know say for inside the month of November for inside the year 2024, they arrest the man. And the people wey arrest am na Finnish security agents. And the agents they arrest Simon Ekpa wey be the self-acclaimed Prime Minister of IPOB sake of say the things and things wey dey talk for inside social media from Finland wey in the base, from Finland wey in plaster, the thing dey make country people dey for inside we nation Nigeria begin dey cause katakata for the southeast region. So as General Christopher Musa wey be the Chief of Defence Staff dey brief lawmakers on Tuesday wey be the 14th day of January for inside this year 2025, im come dey yarn say as dem don arrest Simon Ekpa, so the tension for inside southeast e don reduce on a massive levels. And also the Operation Udoka don dey pick up most of the leadership of these groups dem. That is, as Operation Udoka come board, some leaders of the IPOB they don dey hide their head and they even dey gbab most of them. And as they dey gbab them, so they dey make sure say the place is very much peaceful. And gradually, the sit-at-home movement wey they do every Monday, e dey reduce. The thing na not too dey serious like when Simon Ekpa or other leaders of the indigenous people of Biafra been dey active. And also, there will be the military. They work with politicians wey dey for inside the states. They work with political leaders because them will be military. They understand them 100%. Say they need local support because without local support, it could be very much difficult to gbab the leaders of IPOB or to calm down the tension wey dey for the southeast region. So that now why they need work with local people for inside the southeast region so that they go fit show them road, so that they go fit know the nooks and cranny of the region, so that as they don't know finish, the military now they will know how they will take follow to make sure say peace come the region. Then the 4-star general consider pledge the continuous deployment of non-kinetic approaches to tackling the insecurity challenges for inside the region. Instead, then get some intelligence and then work ahead to ensure that everywhere during the last holidays was kept peaceful. And as it don't be like that, so their plan now to continue the good work and to even do more good work. And in all their operations, they always encourage synergy because last two heads are better than one. And he say like they always appeal Nigerians must take ownership of their armed forces. They have to take ownership of the security challenges they face. No be challenge for the armed forces alone or security agencies alone. This na everybody responsibility. Then General Christopher Musa Konde assure the general public who say with all these steps now they don't take so far, this our green country wey be Nigeria is now aiming to attain 2.2 million barrels per day of oil production in the months ahead. And the things wey they don't do, the steps they don't take so far, be say they don't establish and they don't enhance the kinetic efforts for the 3 services of their operations. Like this now, the Niger Delta is safe, and Niger Delta dey for inside the south. and dem don keep am safe from oil theft and militancy. At least for the first 2 times now, they have been able to reach their OPEC oil quota for Nigeria, and they intend to do more. And their target na to hit 2.2 million barrels per day for Nigeria. Dis no be something wey be say they go fit do alone. They also need other stakeholders in oil industry to also play their own role kwa. And all of them now doing more, providing more security. They are close to 2 million barrels per day, and they intend to do more. This year be 2025, they want to intensify their operations. Dis na wetin dey assure the general public. And e no gba break for there, my good people. The Chief of Defence Staff wey be General Christopher Musa, e constantly call for improvement of border management to address the problem of smuggling. Then e constantly yarn say the military in the past year, they rescue many children who were trafficked out of this our country, Nigeria. Children wey be say jaguda men don use jaguda means take comot them from this our nation, Nigeria. The military do the needful. The military take necessary steps. They play their role wella to make sure say those children come back. They rescue several children, no be small, from being trafficked across Nigeria to other countries, and then tackle the trafficking of drugs, small arms and light weapons. And like this now, they work hand in hand with Nigerian customs. So when they come make such kind of arrest, when they come gbab those kind of jaguda people, either they call the Nigerian Drugs Law Enforcement Agency, or they call the customs, and they come hand over the jaguda men wey dem arrest give them. General Musa constantly yarn dey give the committee say currently the defence headquarters dey look at the possibility of an upward review of troops their welfare, particularly the ration cash allowance, because they dey struggle to pay less than 2,000 naira per soldier per head to feed. That is, to even give one soldier 2,000 naira to feed a day, e dey hard. General Musa constantly identify accommodation and equipment as some of the urgent needs of military personnel, and in the call for rebuilding of military barracks to enhance their living conditions across the country, Nigeria. So as the general yarn all these levels finish, one member of the committee wey dey go by the name Fatima Talba come dey urge the general say im gats prioritize the welfare of junior officers. So im gats take care of the junior ones first. Im gats treat them well. If im do so, them wey be the committee, they go make sure say dem support im vision. Then the chairman of the House Committee on Defence come dey yarn say as representatives of the people, the lawmakers, they go make sure say every naira was judiciously spent to strengthen the operational capacity of the armed forces to deliver tangible results. This my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for we nation, Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this our channel, and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey come with more news, then you go first get the intel and you go even receive am sharp sharp. I dey come outside again to another legit news for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.